In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. So what you want to do is you want to open app TikTok. From there, if you see restricted mode is activated, I need to go to my profile, click on the top right, and then click on settings and privacy. Then under content and display, click on content preferences, the fourth one. And as you can see, restricted mode is currently on. What I need to do is click on turn off. I need to know the password to actually turn it off. I enter in the password and now restricted mode is off, as you can see. If I go back, I don't have the restricted mode anymore, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.